So let's take a look how to use this work portfolio template in DaVinci Resolve. So once you download this template, you should get this zip file. Now just unzip the zip file and you will get this folder over here. Now if you open up this folder, you will find these subfolders inside it. Now this is the project file which you need to install in DaVinci Resolve, which I will show you in a moment. But before that, make sure to install the font. Just open up the font link, copy and paste the font link over here and paste it in your browser, download and install it. So this is a very important step. If you don't install the font first, the template might not work properly. You can change the font later, but first you have to install it. Okay, now let's see how to install this .dra file. So open up the DaVinci Resolve and make sure that your DaVinci Resolve version is 17 or above. Below version will not work. And then just go to this home section and in any blank portion, right click over here and click on this restore project archive. Don't click on this import project, click on this restore project archive. Then just navigate to your download folder and open up the project file, select the .dra file and click on this open. It will ask you to rename, so I'm just gonna call this one work test and hit OK. And now it has been imported, so just double click on that and the project will be ready for edit. Okay, first thing first, make sure that you have checked this icon over here so that you can see the composition name. Sometime you will get without this name, so that will be very hard for you to navigate and edit the template. So if it's the case, just go over here and click on this icon so that you can see the composition name. Now as you can see in the timeline, all of the scenes compositions are placed over here. They total 12 scene composition and they all have 15 second long duration, so you can extend them till 15 seconds. You cannot go more than 15 seconds, but you can extend them till 15 seconds. In the same step, all of the scenes has 15 second duration and they all have transition in. So you can stack on top of each other and create your slideshow as you want. Okay, now let's see how to change this image and text placeholders. Okay, let's suppose I want to edit the scene 3 over here. I want to change this image placeholder. For that, come over here to project bin and from here you can find this edit comps. So if you open up that, you will find these images and text and color. So in the images, you will find all of these images. So for me, I want to edit the scene 3. So just select the scene 3 and you will find all of these image placeholders. So there is 2 different image placeholders. So if you just double click on them, they will be opened up over here. So now I'm just gonna add 2 different images. So I have imported some images and I'm gonna drag and drop in the timeline like so, and make sure to resize it, something like that. And also I'm gonna do for the second image. Okay, now if I just close this one, you will see the scene has been updated over here. And if I just scrub over here, you will see that next image will come, something like that. And now for the text, you have to go inside the actual scene. For that, you can come over here to this text and color and you will find this scene 3. So just double click on that, or you can just come over here and press and hold Alt if you're on Windows, and if you're on Mac, press and hold Option and double click on this scene so that it will find it for you automatically. Now I can just double click on the composition and it will be opened up. So the concept is you have to open up the actual composition to edit the text and the colors, right? Okay, now once I'm in this scene 3, I can select this fusion composition, and from the inspector tab, I can edit all of this text and color themes over here. So here I can change the image scaling and position if I want, and then I can change the text over here like so. You can go to the next text and type your text, something like that. And you can change the font if you want from here, color and other font settings. In the same step, you can change all of this text are visible on the screen. Then you will find the other things like line position, which is this line. Change the position, you can change the color, etc, etc. You can change the background color and dot element, which is this one. So basically, whatever elements you are seeing on screen, you can change the color and other settings over here. So that's basically how to edit a scene. You can go to any scene you want and Alt double click on it and just double click on the scene to open up, and from here you can change all of the parameters. So get the idea. In the same step, you can edit all of the scenes. If you don't need too many scenes, you can delete some of the scenes. So this is completely modular design. You can do whatever you want. Now once you're happy with your edit, let's see how to export it. Just go to this deliver, and from here you can type your name, choose your destination folder, choose your format and add to render queue, and you can start render. I hope this video helped. If you need any support, feel free to contact me. I will be happy to answer.